kitchen. Today I will cook UBE halaya using our electric skillet of Salad Master. Okay, so here's our ingredients for our UBE halaya. We have UBE, shredded UBE, we have coconut milk, we have condensed milk, and the butter. So now it's time to taste it, our UBE halaya. It's good. Thank you guys for watching on my video today. Hope you like it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much. Bye for now.